Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car there's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car has the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 18,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.